What's up, folks? Today, we're diving into the world of AI with a lineup of 5 extraordinary A-bots, each with the potential to put over $1,000 a day in your pocket. But here's the exciting part. Stick around until the end because I've got a special bonus 6th AI bot that will absolutely blow your mind. Now, before we unleash these game-changing AI robots, let's cover the basics. What exactly is AI? Well, AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which refers to systems and machines that mimic human behavior to perform tasks. What makes these AI bots special is their ability to learn and improve themselves over time, making them smarter and more powerful. So, now that we're on the same page, let's jump right into these life-changing, powerful bots. AI Robot 1. Generated Photos. Generated Photos is the first AI robot on our list. It specializes in generating incredibly realistic human faces and avatars, each one entirely unique and indistinguishable from real people. But what sets it apart from other image generators is its ability to create these lifelike faces from scratch. Using a complex process that's akin to painting a masterpiece, you can not only generate these faces but also fine-tune them to suit your specific needs. Want a male or female face? Easy. Need a younger or older look? Done. Adjust the skin tone, hair color, hair length, and even add glasses. The possibilities are endless, making this AI an indispensable tool for businesses and creatives alike. You see, generated photos doesn't just slap together random facial features. It goes much further. It analyzes countless facial characteristics, from the shape of the eyes to the contours of the nose and the texture of the skin, to create these convincing avatars. It's like having an entire team of virtual artists at your disposal, tirelessly crafting human-like faces for your projects. Now let's talk about practical applications. Major companies have caught on to this AI's game-changing potential. They're using these AI-generated faces for their online advertising and marketing campaigns, reducing their expenses by a significant margin. Instead of shelling out big bucks for models and photographers, they can now turn to generated photos for a vast source of genuine-looking faces that connect with their target audience. AI Robot 2. Writer.me. Now let's talk about our next tool, Writer.me, a powerhouse AI that has transformed the way we approach content creation. This AI writing assistant isn't your run-of-the-mill tool. It's a virtual wordsmith that can craft high-quality content across various platforms. But how does it work? Imagine you're stuck with writer's block, struggling to come up with captivating blog ideas or a script for your YouTube videos. Writer.me swoops in to save the day. It employs a complex algorithm to generate content ideas and even full-fledged articles with ease. It's like having an AI co-author who knows your niche inside out. But Writer.me's capabilities don't end there. If you need compelling email copy that converts, this AI has you covered. Crafting landing page content that drives engagement? No problem. Even the art of reply messages can be automated to perfection. The sheer range of tasks this AI can tackle is staggering. The secret sauce behind Writer.me's prowess lies in its vast knowledge base. It's been fed an abundance of data, allowing it to generate content that's not only coherent but also highly relevant. The great aspect is that it doesn't just produce material mindlessly. Writer.me ensures the quality of the content it produces. It's like having an editor who thoroughly polishes every sentence to perfection, making sure your message shines through. So, whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting on your online journey, Writer.me is your trusty sidekick. AI Robot 3. InVideo.io. Let's embark on an exploration of InVideo, the AI-powered text-to-video wizard that's changing the game of content creation. Imagine a tool that can transform your written words into stunning visual masterpieces without the need for extensive video editing skills. That's precisely what InVideo brings to the table. With InVideo, the process of creating captivating videos becomes a breeze. You've got a script or text, and you want to breathe life into it through visuals. InVideo enables you to do just that, offering a seamless drag-and-drop interface that even beginners can master in no time. The versatility of InVideo is truly impressive. Whether you're creating short social media snippets or full-length YouTube content, this AI-powered tool has you covered. Plus, it offers a vast library of stock footage, music, and even the option to incorporate your branding elements, making each video uniquely yours. Its user-friendly interface allows you to effortlessly craft engaging videos that grab your audience's attention. So, the next time you're faced with the daunting task of creating a video from your text-based content, remember InVideo. AI Robot 4. Play.ht. Now it's time to introduce you to Play.ht, the AI-powered text-to-speech software that's redefining the way we interact with audio content. It's not just about converting text into speech. It's about generating real human voices that match with your audience, and it does so with remarkable finesse. Play.ht offers a seamless platform where you can input your text and have it transform into lifelike, expressive voices that capture the essence of your message. It produces voices that are more than just repetitive robotic tones. The AI takes into account punctuation marks, adding natural pauses and inflections that make the audio sound incredibly authentic. Accessibility is another key feature of Play.ht. It allows you to choose from a wide range of accents, languages, and voice types. Whether you need a professional tone for a business presentation or a warm, friendly voice for a podcast, this AI has you covered. It's like having a diverse cast of voice actors at your disposal. Also, it doesn't just convert text into audio. It enhances the listening experience. It's an AI that not only saves you time, but also elevates the quality and impact of your audio content. So, the next time you want to engage your audience through the power of voice, remember Play.ht. AI Robot 5. Grammarly. Let's now go further into the realm of Grammarly, the AI-powered program that has come to represent flawless writing. It's not just about fixing spelling mistakes. It's about improving your writing to the greatest levels of professionalism and clarity. Imagine a tool that provides immediate feedback while you write, helping you to improve the quality of your material. That's precisely what Grammarly does. It integrates seamlessly into your browser or word processor, tirelessly scanning your text for grammatical errors, punctuation missteps, and even suggesting vocabulary enhancements. But here's where Grammarly truly excels. It understands context. It doesn't just identify mistakes. It provides explanations and suggestions to help you understand the why behind the corrections. It's like having a personal writing coach at your side. Beyond the basics, Grammarly offers advanced features like tone detection and style improvements. It helps you fine-tune your writing to match your intended audience, whether it's a formal report or a casual blog post. It's like having a stylistic chameleon that adapts your writing style as needed. So, the next time you sit down to write, remember Grammarly. But hold on, we're not done yet. There's a bonus AI bot that's about to take your breath away. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a digital marvel that's ready to reshape how we use the internet. Imagine Google, but supercharged with AI intelligence. ChatGPT is more than just a search engine. It's like having a personal mentor, a coding expert, or a travel guide at your fingertips. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, ChatGPT can assist with business plans, marketing strategies, and elevator pitches. For instance, you can ask it for help with a coding problem, and it won't just provide code, it'll explain the logic and offer multiple solutions. It's a game changer for anyone who knows how to use it in a right way. In a nutshell, ChatGPT is not just another AI, it's a digital genius that's here to change the way we navigate and understand the online world. There you have it. 6 incredible AI robots that can supercharge your earnings and transform the way you work and create content online. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or just someone looking to boost productivity, these AI tools have got your back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech trends and money-making opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy hustling!